Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Introducing Raspberry Pi Pico, a brand new microcontroller from Raspberry Pi Foundation, the makers of the very popular Raspberry Pi 4 and 3 SBCs. Raspberry Pi Pico is a low-cost, high-performance microcontroller based on their RP2040 microcontroller chip. It runs on a dual-core ARM Cortex M0 Plus processor with a flexible clock running up to 133 MHz. It has onboard 264 KB of SRAM and 2 MB of flash memory. It supports low power sleep and dormant modes and has on-chip accelerated floating point libraries along with an accurate clock and a timer. Its castellated module allows for soldering directly to carrier boards. Coming to GPIOs, the Raspberry Pi Pico has 26 multifunction GPIO pins. Out of these, 8 are programmable I/O state machines for custom peripheral support, 2 SPI channels, 2 I2C channels, 2 UART channels, 3 12-bit ADC channels, and 16 controllable PWM channels. It also has on board a programmable LED, a boot button, and a temperature sensor. The Pico comes with out-of-the-box support for all major platforms like Linux, Mac, and Windows, with SDKs available on popular development platforms like Visual Studio Code and Eclipse. It supports C and C++ along with MicroPython, which is a Python 3 implementation designed to run on bare metal for embedded systems. Uploading a program is as simple as connecting the Pico with the boot button pressed and dragging and dropping the compiled UF2 file onto the Pico storage medium that shows up on the File Explorer. You can also have an interactive Python shell on the Pico and run basic Python commands through the serial interface. This gives you the ability to prototype code in a fast and efficient manner. The Raspberry Pi Pico is now available in India and you can get yours at robocraze.com. Link is in the description below.